Hi, I'm Marcus Grant. I'm the project manager here in the Plymouth Public Rail project and work for Morgan Sindall. Currently we're on quite a large project. We're completely uplifting all of the pavement and installing new drainage, rain gardens, new infrastructure. So effectively we're repaving the whole area. So this will not only give us an extra 50 years worth of lower maintenance, but also it's bringing more and more people into the city centre. And it's a real buzz. It's probably modernising the Plymouth city centre as we know it. DroneDeploy and Red Air Media have done a fantastic job for us. It's not only looking at our overall sort of perspective of work from start to finish, it's DLAP has been massive for us. So the guys have been going around and mapping all of the city centre as it was. Before we take over areas, we need to prove that we haven't damaged shop fronts. So as we've come back and finished our works, if there's an incident or there's been damage to a shop front, we've been able to prove if it was us while we were doing the work. And actually it's paid dividends to us. There's been 4 or 5 claims that have come to us that we've been able to manage on a historical perspective from DroneDeploy and shown that we haven't caused any damage to the shop fronts. And it's been great.
Hi, I'm Jim Bishop. I'm the Operations Director of Red Air Media. The deliverable that we produce for Morgan Sindall are quite a few. So the first thing we send out is an Orthomosaic map, which gives them a super high 0.5 centimetre per pixel resolution of the whole project, so they get some phenomenal detail. We then attach a 3D digital model, which allows them to view the whole site in detail, be able to take any measurements, and if there's overlaid drawings onto the project as well, they can make sure that everything's working within the guidelines. Also on the third stage of this, we do a 360 walkthrough, which is overlaid onto the project. That means the client can then look at all the close edge work, look at pavements and joins and shop fronts to see whether there's any dilapidation or any damage from the original survey. This is all put onto a 4D timeline and shared amongst the client base so they can view it, which is cool.
This is completely transformed Plymouth. So to be able to walk down the new pavement and new shopping areas and know that Morgan Sindall and their team have been able to produce something of this high quality that's going to be long lasting.